Everyday workout mo, idol? Oo, everyday. Kahit mag-travel ako, kahit may sakit ako, kahit inoperahan ako, kailangan ng good blood flow circulation na tawag din active recovery. Pero knowing me, as long as kaya ko, hindi lang ako active recovery. Gusto ko talaga mag-buhat. Gusto ko mag-abs, mag-core. Yun, kaya ganito itsura ko. Yung tipong laging sa iba, dream body nila, iba in shape, condition, yung iba pinagkakamala na naka-cycle, naka-steroids. Kasi nga, everyday hindi ko siya pinabayaan. Pero yung kain ko, 3 days before or 1 week before, dun ako talagang malinis na clean diet, clean meals. Pero every day of my life, with my love, Serena Agassi, wifey, parang 50% enjoy, tapos yung 50% makuha ko lang yung macros and yung yung mga macro ko, tsaka micronutrients. Micronutrients, mga minerals, vitamins, yung macros, yung protein, carbs, tsaka fats. So, as long as na-hit nyo naman, yun. Tsaka as long as happy kayo. Tama kayo, mali ako na Dr. Do